SCADA is the technology required to run almost any system remotely.
SCADA stands for Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition.
We're working with large equipment, putting different PLCs together to make it work as one.
So basically, one machine's going to know exactly what the other one's doing exactly when it's doing it.
Manufacturing, water and power, transportation, and many other sectors are in need of highly qualified technicians to run these sophisticated systems.
With manufacturing, we try to make the processes quicker, more efficient for the company, and that's our job here. And that's what we're learning to do.
The Allen Bradley hardware that we work with, it's easy to follow and a lot of it works together real nicely. Allen Bradley is really universal. You're going to see it almost everywhere.
You can control your machines from a remote location. That's what really intrigues me about all this.
The robots in the other room are very cool. They're very large equipment that work really fast.
If you're intrigued by computer operations, data management, robotics, or electronics, you'll find a high-paying career in just 2 years in Mitchell Tech's Automation Controls and SCADA Tech program.
I think one of the funniest things that goes wrong in SCADA is first year blowing up capacitors because it's really loud and it scares a lot of people, but it's not terribly dangerous.
You tell the machines what you want them to do. And if anybody's into that kind of stuff, you'll love this job, in this field.
Learn more by visiting mitchelltech.edu.